Hello children, welcome to your English literature class with me Miss Bijal. Today we will do workbook exercise of the lesson I am the music man. So children, be ready with your workbook. Let's read meanings. Music man, a man who plays music. Far away, a place which is very far. Play, to perform on a musical instrument. Piano, a musical instrument played by pressing the black and white keys on the keyboard. Drum, a musical instrument played by hitting it with sticks or hands. Boom, a loud, deep sound. Instrument, a thing that makes musical sounds. Children, you have to write down these meanings in your English notebook and learn. Draw lines to match the pictures with their sounds. And the first picture is about a clock. And what sound a clock makes? Yes, it is tick tick. Second picture is of bell. A woman is ringing doorbell. And what sound it makes? Yes, it is ting tong. Third picture is of train and it makes sound like chuk chuk. Fourth picture is of telephone and it makes sound tring tring. So accordingly you have to write down the numbers beside the spellings. Okay children, complete this in your English workbook. Answer the following questions. First question, what are the two instruments that the music man can play? And the answer is the piano and the big drum are the two instruments that the music man can play. Second question, what sounds are made by the instruments played by the music man? And the answer is pia, pia, piano and bumdi, boom, bumdi are the sounds made by the instruments played by music men. Third question, where does the music man come from? And the answer is the music man comes from far away. Children, you have to write down these question answers in your English notebook with good cursive handwriting and learn. In each of the following, encircle the correct spelling. One is done for you. First one is piano, and the correct spelling of piano is Piano. Second word is music, and the correct spelling of music is Music, music. Third spelling is play, and the correct spelling of play is Play, PL and AYA, play. Fourth spelling drum, and the spelling is DRUM, drum. Fifth spelling is fluid, and the spelling is FLUTE. Identify the musical instruments and fill in the missing letters to complete their names. First picture is of harmonium and the spelling is HARMONIUM, harmonium. Second picture, second musical instrument is tabla and the spelling is TABLA. Third, veena, VEENA. Fourth, trumpet and the spelling is TRUMPET. M-P-E-T. Fifth, violin, and the spelling is V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Sixth, dholak, and the spelling is D-H-O-L-A-K. Rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined words into their plural forms. Children, we have already learned singular and plural nouns in our last class. So I know you all know the answer. First question is, my friend wrote a poem. An underlined word is friend. We have to make plural of friend. And the plural of friend noun is friends. We add s to friend. My friends wrote a poem. Second, he blew the horn to wake up his sister. The words are horn and sister, which we have to make plural. The answer is he blew the horns to wake up his sisters. The boy saw an elephant in the zoo. Answer is the boys saw an elephant in the zoo. Fourth, the books are on the table. And the answer is the books are on the tables. The plural form of table is tables. Fifth, the apples are in the basket. And the answer is the apples are in the baskets. Plural form of basket is baskets. Make sentences using words from the tables A, B, and C. Now write the sentences here. One is done for you. See first example. A gardener waters the plants. See second in the table. A carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture. Third, a postman. A postman delivers letter. Fourth is a milkman. A milkman brings milk. Fifth, a washerman. A washerman washes clothes. Children, write down these question answers and meanings in your notebook with good handwriting and learn. That's all for today's class. Goodbye. See you soon.